We are excited to share the success story of Walker, who got admission in Northeastern University with F1 visa letter to apply. He was also supported to get approval of $91,000 for his tuition and living costs. It's been an incredible journey, and we are so happy for him. The entire admission process was smooth and stress-free, thanks to our expert guidance. From choosing the right programs to applying for financial aid, we were with him every step of the way. We helped Walker to select the best universities that matched his academic profile and career goals. We provided him with all the necessary tools and resources to make the application process smooth and hassle-free. Our team of experts helped him to craft a compelling application that highlighted his unique strengths and qualifications. We are thrilled that Walker chose us to be a part of his journey, and we are honored to have played a role in helping him achieve his dreams. If you're planning to study abroad, we highly recommend checking out our services. As a team, we are dedicated to providing exceptional service to each and every client. Our ultimate goal is to make the study abroad process as seamless and enjoyable as possible. We look forward to helping more students achieve their dreams of studying abroad.